Hello, everybody, for this another exciting moment at HTID. We have come to the moment where we're going to be awarding the prizes for the first time for the pitch competition at HealthTech Innovation Days. And to be the master of ceremonies for this moment, it's an immense pleasure to call on stage Alan Herrera. Alan.
Thank you, Alison. So it's really a privilege to chair this HealthTech for Care Innovation Award ceremony. For the first time during the HealthTech Innovation Days, 24 European companies committed to patients from the biotech, the medtech, the innovative services and digital health sectors selected by the European clusters partnering with HTFC, presented their innovation to a jury composed of HTFC's sponsor and the HTAD Health Innovation Ecosystem. I would like, on behalf of the HTAD Organization Committee, to thank our European cluster partners for the quality of the selection and all the 24 candidates for their investment in such innovative and promising projects. It was really not an easy task for the jury to designate the 3 winners, and I thank all the members for their implication during the last 2 days. We had 4 very interesting dense pitch session during these last 2 days, and really what we hear is very encouraging for the future of the biotech and medtech digital health ecosystem in Europe. Finally, I can say that we reward what we can call la crème de la crème. This decision was based on well-defined criteria, but always keeping in mind the potential benefit that the patients would derive from these very innovative approaches. The winners will receive the HealthTech for Care Innovation Award, which goes along with privileged connection with the HTFC sponsors, visibility through dedicated communication, and free access to the 5th edition of HealthTech Innovation Days event. So I will now ask Elena Coluccelli from Rothschild & Co. to join me on the stage and tell us who is our first winner, ranking number 3.
So thank you very much, Alain. Hello to everyone. So I'm discovering with you. So the number 3 position for this edition of the pitch section is awarded to Vidac Pharma with Mark Erzberg. And maybe just, yes, please, Mark, join me. I'd just like to tell you why we choose your pitch. Basically, the reason is that we think that Vidac is a very well integrated to improve the quality of life in cancer treatment.
Thank you very much.
You can say a few words.
Okay.
30 seconds.
40 seconds is more than enough. I want to thank all the organizers for this incredible conference, which was a no-nonsense conference. I could not participate to all the round table because we had a lot of meetings. The one to which I participated were fantastic. And the meetings were very good as well. And I really want to thank you very much. I appreciate that you are giving a prize to a man who is not a very young entrepreneur, but certainly a very experienced one. Thank you very much.
You stay on the screen. So Max was the doyen of the people delivering pitches. So the other one will be certainly a little bit younger. So I'm now asking Jenny Yip from Adjuvant Capital to join me and tell us who is ranking number 2.
All right. And second place goes to Flores Vera. And can I have Gregory Segala, CEO, come up to accept the prize? And just a quick reason as to why we selected that. It is a smart and integrated process to ensure efficient and safe therapies to be launched in the clinic. So thank you very much. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
You say a few words, Gregory?
Yeah, I'm really happy to say a few words because we are developing a disruptive technology, and this is very difficult to get the adoption of such technology that can really make an impact on the drug discovery and so finally on the therapies that will be delivered to the patient. So this award is a really good recognition in the startup nation. Thank you very much.
So, and the winner of the winners will finally be revealed by Anaïs Le Corvec of ClickLab Transformative Agent. So, Anaïs, we cannot make mistake. There is only one envelope left.
There's one there. And I have several hats, so it's from the Council of European Bioregion that I come here, and many thanks to all the clusters that helped select it. And before I say the first prize is, also wanted to thank all the wonderful women of the organization because I think they did an amazing job. So just wanted to make sure. Thank you. And now the winner is MRM Health. And so just the comments on why I selected and why the first prize. Well-enveloped product, effective and safe for patient with a very good awareness on bioprediction. Your technology is needed. So very congratulations. There you go. Thank you so much.
So, thank you very much. Thanks to all the jury members. I was the last in the session, but apparently they were still awake, so thank you very much. So first of all, it becomes very easy to tell a convincing story if you have a good technology and most of all a star team to perform it. So I will make sure to give this to the team which is working with me. MRM Health is a microbiome therapeutics company. There was a session last evening on the microbiome. We develop live biotherapeutics, so combinations of 5 to 10 strains, and our technology allows us to really pick those 5-10 strains which really matter in a specific disease, and most of all, to manufacture them in a very elegant way, which is still a key bottleneck in the field. We were founded in 2020, and already we have 2 clinical trials ongoing in the field of IBD, inflammatory bowel disease, but we also have preclinical programs in Parkinson's, in metabolic disease, and in arthritis. So we go quite broad because there's a lot of potential in the microbiome, and it's up to us to bring this now to the patient. So thank you.
And now, to close this ceremony, I would like to welcome Marie-Vonne Jans, our president, the president of HTFC, to say a few words. Marie-Vonne, please.
Thanks very much, Alain. But you all said, so I somewhere to conclude this manifestation. So we are very pleased of the success of this HealthTech for Care award. This is the first time, and this is successful. So thank you very much for the companies. They had discuss with healthcare expert and pharma companies. And thank you very much for the cluster, because it was very important to have the participation of the European cluster. HealthTech for Care is very engaged in Europe. So thank you for your participation, and we hope to see you next year. Thank you very much.
We will take a picture of all of you.
Don't leave the room, it's not finished. So I would like to ask to the HTID team to come on. Tu peux demander à l'équipe de venir? Oui. Ben, c'est pas grave.
To conclude.
It's time to conclude, but also to thank the team. And also the board members of HTFC that are in the room. Ouais, toi, allez. This event would not be possible without our Amazon, as you say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that are working all year long to prepare this event, and also our board, Alain.
No. Thank you to all of you. We have a lot of passion and engagement, commitment to organize this event every year, and we're just looking for having all of you and even more people for our 5th edition next year. So thank you so much.
So thanks a lot. Thanks for joining. Thanks again for your enthusiasm along the 2 days. We hope you enjoy, you hope you learn. We learn a lot. I was attending a pitch session and it was really great. So it was the first time, but I'm sure we will organize that next year. A few numbers. We were more than 166 companies coming, more than 200 investors, more than 1,000 meetings, formal meetings, and I see so many people in the lounge place, so I'm sure there were more than that. And really, we expect to see you next year in October in Paris, probably here, to run the 5th edition. We are already the 5th edition, so that's great. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
You know me a lot, you know me. I'm always speaking to. No. I want to say next year I hope that we'll be, if it is possible, more dedicated to Europe, to all Europe. We had many companies from all over Europe, but we need to extend it. That we'll have more people coming from US and Asia to visit us and to discuss collaboration, and more patient association. And I hope perhaps some people from Africa. So I hope it's my dream as an old man. I am younger than Max, but I'm still young. Okay, thank you very much.
Anaïs, if you can come with Mark, we have our.
Sure.
So we are internationalizing our board. So our first entrant, our friends from Belgium. So Mark and Anaïs. So Mark.
Thank you, Pierre. I'm really representing BioWin, but I'm also the president of the Council of European Bioregions. So definitely, our commitment is to try to make your dream a reality in the coming months and year, and certainly as of next year.
We want to clone Mark and same person in each European country. So to have the same job done to attract companies from all over Europe. If you have some brothers in other countries, please
we try.
Introduce them.
We try also to have younger entrepreneurs as well than me. But we are committed, and Anaïs, we will give a word immediately. We are committed really to engage all the cluster and biocluster all across Europe, much more in the organization, because I'm also here representing a biotech company. It is really worthwhile to be there, to meet the investors and to meet all the community.
Yes, and thank you. and just yes, we hope that next year more clusters. So I'm French, but living in Spain, working for a European association. So I think my European quota is good, but hoping also to have more clusters involved next year, more women also, and hopefully some prizes for the great women entrepreneurs and working biotech.
50%.
Almost.
Yeah. So we would like to thank all the what we call in French mécènes, which is sponsors in English, but we really like this word mécène. Why? Because we are an endowment fund, so we are not profit organization, and all the funds that we receive, we use it for this event and other events all around the year. So. This is a thank you to all the mécènes, because without the mécènes, this event could not exist, basically. So thank you, Cédric. Cédric, through Sofinva, is one of the mécènes. He's also at the board, but there's also many other mécènes that we really like to thank today. Because again, this event will not be possible without them. You can have a look at the name of the mécène in all the documents that were provided. And also also the last thing, as you have understood from everybody here, is that we want to Europeanization of the event, and it's very important that we continue to bring companies, biotech, VCs, and so on from Europe. And make it the European event of the year here in Paris.
So you have seen that Pierre was speaking more than me.
Yeah. So we hope to see you next year in Paris in October. Thank you very much for coming today and this year. So See you next year.